People! Oh, I'm not. Oh, I'm not. Are you serious? You almost killed me, bro. I swear to God, I almost crashed. You gotta be careful, man. Fuck you. Go ahead. Go ahead. Come on. This Go ahead. Pull up. What's your problem? What's your problem? Dude, my balls hurt so bad. Oh. How did I not go? How did I not go down, bro? My whole front tire locked and the curb. I hit him so hard on my tank. My balls! Smack that dude's window, bro. Yeah, that was my closest call for sure. Something caused me to just absolutely nail my balls. I don't know. I need to pop a wheelie. That'll see if the bike's alright.